to that, yeah, we're looking at Cadbury's first of all here, and it's Suter Croft. They're in talks apparently to arrange about $8 billion of financing for its bid to buy this chocolate maker. All of this according to two people with knowledge of the matter. They're also saying that Citigroup and Deutsche Bank are working out setting up debt financing to cover about half of this $16 billion offer that they have on the table to buy Cadbury. Of course, it has been rejected. Meanwhile, according to the Times newspaper, Hershey has hired JP Morgan Chase to advise the company on its options in a potential counterbid for Cadbury. Let's take a look at the markets. And overall, a down arrow story, but one where we're seeing a bit of a recovery taking place at the moment. The FTSE is actually just above where it started the session. DAX just down a fraction. CAC 40 at the moment lower. Just taking a look at what's been happening with the overall indices. We've got the Dow Jones Stocks 600 index actually retreating from 11-month highs. Vivendi over there in Paris slipping back in the session. Earlier it announced plans to buy the Brazilian telecommunications provider GVT. Consideration here $3 billion. M&A seemingly back. Vivendi, world's biggest music company, of course, its shares under pressure even after saying GVT's biggest shareholders had agreed to support this takeover. Let's have a look at what else is going on out there, because we do see some drag coming from the mining side of things, and we have Lundin on the way lower. This after Bank of America downgraded the shares to neutral. They had been a buy before, also saying that a bid for this platinum producer by Xstrata is not a sure thing, and that's not really at the moment helping to support the share price particularly. And with that in mind, it's back to you, Scarlett, in New York.
Thanks so much, Rish. Rish Salamat for us in London.